Hi, boys and girls. I just wanted to do a quick review of what we had learned about this week, especially for our remote friends. So, this week we are going to be talking about some skills and strategies we can use to help us stay in green zone. Before we do that, let's go ahead and get started with our chant. So, we're going to go right up here: red, yellow, green, and blue, green and blue. Red, yellow, green, and blue, green and blue. The zones of regulation share my feelings with you. Red, yellow, green, and blue, green and blue. Nice work. Let's go ahead and also review our 3Bs. So Mrs. Vann is going to go ahead and share her screen. I've got a couple things up here, so I'm going to make sure we're looking at the right thing. There we go. All right. So we talked about being safe. Ready? Get your B ready? Be, right? Fist together, safe. Mind what you do to take care of everyone all around you. And there is be respectful. Using your manners is kind. Listening to adults will help grow your mind. Lastly, we have be responsible. Take care of who? Take care of you. When you're able to follow those 3 B's, you're going to be doing your very best at school and work really hard to stay in the green zone. Okay. So sometimes, boys and girls, we're not always in the green zone, and that is okay. Sometimes we have big feelings that cause us to not be in green zone, and we need to try to get back. So we're going to talk about a few different skills that can help us with that. The first one is going to be counting to 10. When we count, it gives our brain a break. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice work. Giving our brain a break will help us make our best expected choices. Next is deep breaths. We're going to be watching a video on square breathing to help us with this one. Let's take a look. I'm going to make sure that our sound is shared. Here we go. And give it. Oh, there we go.
With your back straight and body relaxed, let your arms hang by your side if you're standing, or if you're sitting, rest your hands on your knees. Now we're going to silently count to 4 as we breathe. Follow the picture on your screen and breathe in as the arrow moves up one side of the square. Hold your breath at the top. Breathe out as the arrow moves down the other side, and hold your breath again at the bottom.
Nice work. Let's try it again.
Okay, starting on one side of the square. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out all the way, 3, 4. And hold your breath, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. Keep going, sinking your breath to the arrow. Breathe out and hold. Breathe in and hold. Breathe out and hold. Breathe in and keep going while you follow the arrow on your screen.
Nice job, friends. All right. Another strategy we're going to be learning about is spider push-ups. Spider push-ups is a great way to have some touch points on your fingers that might get your mind off of some big feelings. So we put our spiders together and then we push and in, just like that. Let's try 5 together. Up and in and in. Nice work, friends. Sometimes getting a drink of water, that's the water sign you use in your class, can also give your brain a break so that you are in your green zone and show expected choices. Lastly, just taking a moment to close your eyes can also be very helpful. Let's try it together and count to five. One, two, three, four, five. Nice job. Notice, boys and girls, we did all of those things intentionally, purposefully, which all just means carefully, right? So that we can make sure we take time to do it and to do it well so we can get back to our green zone. All these skills we've learned, you might find, right, are things that we have to practice, just like reading our numbers and letters, right? And writing those numbers and letters. We have to practice to get better at them. And you might find when you've practiced and gotten really good at some of these skills that some of them don't work as well for you. And that is okay. But we want to try them and practice them so we can learn what works well for us and what doesn't. And that will be okay. All right, friends, let's do a quick review. We learned about closing your eyes. We learned about taking deep breaths, counting to 10, getting a drink, and spider push ups. You will find all of these strategies on the playlist on YouTube as well. They are individual videos for practicing some of these things, like closing your eyes and counting and getting not getting a drink, but the spider push-ups and the breathing. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye, friends.